Hello everyone, I'm Brandon Christopher King. Growing up, I often found myself lost in my own world, living to the confines of my imagination where mistakes were just part of the adventure. The outside world, especially around others, was a daunting space. The shy boy in me would cringe at the thought of being put on the spot, especially in the classroom. The looming dread of having the wrong answer paralyzed me at times. However, as the years passed, a crucial realization dawned upon me. It's okay to be wrong. In fact, mistakes have become my best teachers. With the advent of artificial intelligence, there's no better moment in history to be unashamedly curious. We stand at the beginning of a technological revolution. And the message I want to convey to each of you is this: don't shrink back in hesitance or fear. Dive in. The rise of AI isn't just an inevitability, it's an invitation. If we equip ourselves with the right tools and an open mindset, we don't just survive the tide, we come out riding the waves. Today, I'm not the timid boy of early years, and I encourage all of you to break free from the chains of apprehension too. Welcome the unknown, the uncharted, and most importantly, the new. Before we get into today's episode, a quick favor. If you find value in what we do, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to follow us on Platform X and YouTube. Every little interaction counts, and it's your support that propels us forward. Now, to give you a glimpse of what's in store for today, here's the ever-insightful Bella.
Thanks, Brandon. Today we're getting deep into a topic close to our hearts: the challenges that curiosity faces in our digital age. But as much as there are hurdles, there's hope. Let's explore. Challenges to curiosity. In the digital age, curiosity, an intrinsic human quality that's driven progress for millennia, faces several hurdles. Despite the world being more interconnected and information more accessible than ever, certain modern factors dampen genuine inquisitiveness. Let's talk about these barriers. 1. Information overload. In today's hyper-connected society, we're bombarded with an avalanche of information from various sources: social media, news outlets, apps, and more. The sheer volume of information can be overwhelming, leading to cognitive fatigue. Instead of helping curiosity, the overload often results in a superficial understanding of topics, hindering deep dives into subjects of interest. 2. Fear of failure. The current social and professional ecosystems often emphasize success and frown upon failure. This fear of failing can stifle the desire to explore unknown territories or pursue new ideas. After all, every exploration doesn't guarantee success, but the dread of potential backlash restricts many from even trying. 3. Digital distractions. Smartphones, tablets, smartwatches. The digital tether is real. These devices, while groundbreaking in many ways, constantly vie for our attention with notifications, messages, and alerts. This constant digital buzz hinders sustained attention on any single topic, thus dampening the spirit of exploration and curiosity. 4. Paradox of choice. While having options is generally seen as a positive, too many choices can lead to paralysis. When confronted with a myriad of options, be it reading materials, TV shows, or even educational courses, individuals may feel overwhelmed, leading to indecision. Instead of exploring a particular topic, they might choose to avoid making a choice altogether, thereby suppressing curiosity. 5. Societal conformity and peer pressure. Being different or geeky about a particular subject might be seen as being out of the norm. Many times, people suppress their genuine interests and curiosities to fit into a societal mold, fearing judgment or isolation. 6. Inefficient education systems. Traditional education systems, which often prioritize rote memorization over genuine understanding, can sometimes dampen the natural curiosity of students. Instead of encouraging questions and exploration, many educational setups reward repetition and conformity. Addressing these challenges is crucial. Encouraging environments where questions are celebrated, mistakes are seen as learning opportunities, and deep exploration is valued can pave the way for a more curious, innovative, and progressive society. It's essential to recognize and actively combat these barriers to nurture an ever-evolving, inquisitive world. Closing remarks. In the last few episodes, we've looked at the potential and challenges of both AI-driven curiosity and the timeless human trait of inquisitiveness. We have provided insights, echoing sentiments that have been echoed across generations and cultures. Curiosity is the spark that ignites innovation, discovery, and growth. It's not just a trait. It's the little voice inside you that asks why and how. It's that insatiable hunger to learn, to understand, to push boundaries. Curiosity has been responsible for some of the greatest breakthroughs in human history. From fire to flight, from the invention of the wheel to the exploration of space, it all began with a curious thought. However, as we've discussed, this invaluable trait faces its own set of modern-day challenges. As we navigate the digital age, we must make a concerted effort to preserve and nurture our innate curiosity. It's a call to reflection. When was the last time you let your mind wander? When did you last embrace a question or dive deep into a topic just for the sheer joy of learning? As listeners, it's an invitation for you. Take a moment. Think about your own journeys of discovery, those moments when your eyes sparkled with wonder. And then, make a promise. A promise to never let that spark fade. A promise to remain forever curious. Brandon has a teaser for our next episode.
Thanks, Bella. In the next few episodes, we go into a different kind of exploration: experiential learning. You've probably heard the age-old adage, experience is the best teacher. But what does it truly mean to learn by doing? How can hands-on experiences shape our understanding and perspectives in a way traditional learning cannot? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow us on Platform X and YouTube. Every interaction helps our channel grow. Make a comment, even if it is just to say hello. Thank you for joining us today. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and remember, the world is a giant playground for the curious. See you next time.